This is a really fast, no frills video on how to adjust your brake light switch or stoplight switch on your vehicle. Mine recently went out, and so I got a new one and put it in. And to adjust it, this is the trick, the detail that's often left out. This little white piece here, it clicks in. Now listen carefully. You see how that's in? Now listen as I pull out on the white piece. You'll hear clicks. Okay, so I had to pull it out with two hands. But watch, it goes down, and it can go down several clicks. Okay, it has different locations where it can go down to. The way you adjust it is pull it all the way out. Once it's installed, push your brake pedal down and pull this all the way out. Then let the brake pedal come back and touch this and let it click down to wherever it's going to be, because this will work at any different location that it clicks to. Wherever your pedal clicks it to, it'll work within that click. There's a very short little distance that it needs to go. See, like so, to turn the lights on. So if it's all out here, it can work here as well. It can work here, depending. It can work here. Okay, all of these different locations, it will self-adjust and it will work. But what you have to do is pull it up, move your pedal out of the way as far as you can, and pull this out. Okay, while it's installed, and then allow the pedal to push it down to wherever it's going to rest when you're footing on the pedal, like that, and then it will operate. Otherwise, it may, for example, mine was adjusted down too far, like so, and the pedal would stop right here and not make contact. All right, so my brake lights stayed on all the time, and somebody told me, they drove by me, hey, your brake lights are on all the time. We're behind you. So I went and I checked, and I need to adjust mine. I didn't know that, so I replaced it. And then the lights were still on. And then I realized, oh, you have to adjust it. And there's no videos on how to adjust these. Not really clear videos. So anyway, I hope this helps. That's how you adjust your brake light switch or your stoplight switch on your BMW E36 or many other vehicles that have this configuration of brake light switch. And another thing that people say that's incorrect, let me go like this. Pull this thing out. This comes all the way off, by the way. And when you're going to remove the switch, you can pull this out, like so. And then you also pull the red thing, this red piece out, and then you can depress these two little tabs. You don't have to break one off. I said one guy had a video, oh, stick your screwdriver in here and break it off. No! You don't break it off. You don't have to break anything. You pull this little red sleeve out, like so. Okay. You pull this all the way out, and it clears the path of these little tabs. See, and then they can go in. See, like so. Once these are all the way out, then when you reinstall it, leave this out. Let's just put it in, then put the sleeve down after it's installed. That keeps it from popping out on you on accident. Then adjust this by pulling the pedal out and let it click down to wherever it's going to stop. Okay? That's how you adjust. I guess it was longer than I thought it was going to be. That's how you adjust the brake light switch on a vehicle. Thank you for watching.